Today on Bezri, we're reviewing a MAMNV robot vacuum. Check the link in the description for the best price. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bez Reviews. Check the link in the description for the best price on this MAMNV robot vacuum. Today, we're diving deep into how this smart cleaning device can transform your home maintenance routine. Let's break down the core cleaning capabilities and the smart technology inside this MAMNV robot vacuum. This chart covers how the MAMNV robot vacuum tackles dirt and debris, alongside its intelligent navigation systems that map your home. With an incredible 11,500 pascals of suction, this vacuum can lift stubborn debris and pet hair from any surface. LiDAR navigation allows for precise mapping, enabling you to set no-go zones and customize cleaning routines. This device seamlessly vacuums, sweeps, and mops all at once, tackling dry and wet messes efficiently. Enjoy extensive cleaning coverage with its impressive 160-minute runtime, ideal for larger homes. This robot vacuum brings impressive suction power and advanced LiDAR navigation for effective home cleaning. We'll assess the convenience factors and how this robot vacuum stacks up in terms of value. This segment focuses on how easy the MAMNV robot vacuum is to live with, from its maintenance needs to the overall package you receive. The 90-day capacity self-emptying station is a game-changer, allowing for over 10 weeks of hands-free cleaning. You can easily control this robot vacuum through its dedicated app, Alexa, or simple voice commands. This unit comes with a full kit including multiple dust bags, filters, and replacement brushes, offering great initial value. While crucial specs like suction power and runtime are clear, more detail on app features would be helpful. Its 90-day self-emptying capability and comprehensive accessory kit offer significant user convenience and value. Overall, the MAMNV robot vacuum is a very compelling option for anyone looking to automate their home cleaning. The powerful suction, smart LiDAR navigation, and the sheer convenience of the 90-day self-emptying station really set it apart. While the mopping function is capable, it's not going to replace a deep scrub, but for everyday upkeep, it's fantastic. This is a solid investment for a cleaner home with less effort.